Alright guys, what's going on? Good to have you on, good to have you in. Today's day, is today day 218? No, that was, wait a minute. Let me make sure I'm not getting the days all mixed up here. Day 217, let's see if we can find day 216, so day 22, day 20. 217. Today's day 219. Okay, and we're up 26.9 thousand today. Hope you guys had a great trading day out there. Hope you guys please like and subscribe to the channel. Click the icon to if I make new videos. I'd really appreciate that, guys. Gotta change this out here. Again, hopefully you guys had a great trading day. I know that it was definitely, there's quite a few opportunities out there, not gonna lie. Nothing too crazy though in terms of opportunities, but still opportunities nonetheless. If you're just coming in, if you could subscribe to the channel, I would really appreciate that, guys. I am live going over today's 26.9K trading day. Trading day now have turned 1,003.8. Oops, just getting set up here, guys. Okay, there's that. There's that. There is that. Small caps. Options. That way you guys still have that. Alright, cool. Now I'm just going to post social media quick and then we'll be ready to go. Again, hopefully you guys had a great trading day out there. Again, not a lot of opportunities, but quite a few opportunities. Just post that here. What's going on, guys? Good to have you on. Good to have you in. Big runners today were WEI, JFU, TSS, NAC, D, and then what else? SNMP running after hours. SRRK. Go like that. Go like that. Go like that. Cool. There's that, guys. What's going on, Lee Chen? Osman Avian. What's going on, Joe STX? Kyle Lehman. What's up? Okay, now we gotta go live on TikTok and on Instagram. Let's go live on Instagram now. FSLR on the scanner. Okay, there's that. Live on Instagram. Now let's go live on TikTok. There's that. Alright, we're ready to go here, guys. Quick little startup today. What's going on, Blake, man? What's going on, Mr. Fatigue? What's going on, Eero? What's going on, Loya? What's going on, Hugo? What's going on, Joma? What's going on, Mega? What's going on, C. Conte? What's going on, Azit? What's going on, Justin? What's going on, Adam Rickett? Good to have you guys on. Just kind of, SRRK is going crazy after hours. Another move to the upside. What a crazy little stock that is. Just kind of waiting for people to kind of trickle on in here. Good to have you guys on. Good to have you guys in. SRRK. What's going on, Edvin? What's going on, Ghost CC? What's going on, Batman? What's going on, Diego? What's going on, TK? What's going on, Abraham? No, I don't trade options. I mean, I do, but not much. Not right now, at least. What's going on, Cody? Alright, guys. So, we'll give it a couple more seconds. We'll give it, let's say, 10 more seconds for people to trickle on in, and then we're going to go ahead and get started today, guys. SNMP just continues to fly after hours. What's going on, Patrick Queen? What's going on, Tim Tick? What's going on, Kashir on TikTok? What's going on, Diego? I'm not able to trade because my router went bad and I have to wait till they mail me a new one. That's unfortunate, Diego. You can use Wi-Fi on your phone, or you can use you know, your cellular service as a hotspot. There's still ways to trade, Diego. You can use your Wi-Fi as a hotspot. What's going on, Brian Cooper? I've heard of people talk about PLTR. I'm sure it's moving to the upside if people keep talking about it. I've been watching it, but that's about it. USWS. Alright, guys. What's going on, Raj? What's going on, Yeaman? What's going on, Kenneth? What's going on, T. Cole? Let's go ahead and get started today without further ado. So, let me go ahead and scroll up and down here on my trades, fully verified, fully timestamped here. So here's all my trades for the day. Here they all are, here they all are, here they all are. Back down here. There's that. Okay. Now, those of you guys on YouTube who are watching this over pre-recorded, you can see all those trades. You can pause at any time. That way you can see my timestamps fully verified. So let's go ahead and get started. So BVXV bought at 360. Oops, sorry about that. Bought it at 360, 363. Obviously got stopped out on that one. DSS, small little winner on that one. ISIG, scalped that one. ISIG, you can see me getting filled here at 153, 154. Scalped it at 160. WEI. So WEI was my main play of the day, guys, and I didn't even hold it that long. WEI, guys. So this one was a big runner of the day. I was long with a 182 average, so that let's go bigger screen here. On WEI, this is the one that I had my confidence on. This is the one where I had my size. This is the one where I actually ended up playing it pretty much to perfection, at least on the entry side, not on the exit side. But 182 is the white line. That's where my shares were. I had about 60,000 shares of WEI at a 182 average, roughly. And as you can see, that thing opened up big time. It opened up all the way up to, over $3. And my main position was this white line. So you can see how much of a position I set myself up for potential gains. I mean, if I hold it to the top, it would have been up over 50%. But Selena, I've been watching your videos for past months, but I still haven't had the guess to trade. Honestly, Selena, there's nothing wrong with that. You know, there's nothing wrong with not trading. And it, like what I always say to beginners is when you start trading, remember this. When you start trading, I want you to remember this. Like, if it was me talking to myself 3 years ago, in order to help myself not blow up half my net worth, I would have said to myself, trade with the amount that you can afford to blow up 5 or 10 times over. Whether that's $100, $1,000, $10,000, you could blow that up 5 or 10 times over and still be financially comfortable. You want to have a number where, you know, you're trading with money, so you have skin in the game, but at the same time, if you blow it up twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, you're still hanging on. You're still hanging on in the game. And you're still here. Because if you blow up, let's say your net worth is $10,000, and you trade with $10,000, and you blow that up, right? You're probably going to blow it up because you don't really know what you're doing if you just trade right away. You have no strategy, no process, no plan, and you don't have skin in the game long enough. And the fastest I've ever seen anybody become profitable when they started trading was 6 months, and they're extremely, extremely smart. No, they're not, JP and Lanzy. They consistently get worse. I wish they were. It's not the headaches, it's the lightheadedness. But anyways. So, you know, that's what I recommend to myself, talking to myself back then, is, you know what, Cameron, why didn't you trade with something that you could blow up with 5 or 10 times over? Okay, I blew up about 3 to 4 accounts when I first started trading. 2 Share to Trader accounts, a couple of Robinhood accounts, and I believe that was good enough for me. And I almost quit. But going back and talking to myself now, I'd say, you know what, Cameron, why didn't you trade with with something that you could blow up 5 or 10 times over and still at the end of that be comfortable? And still be able to get back up and try again. Because if you have $100 and all of a sudden you turn it into $0, $100 into $0, $100 into $0, the fourth time you're 100 into 200, 200, 300, 300, 400. Now you're starting with your initial investment and slowly growing it and also proving yourself along the way that you're able to create a successful strategy. Whether it's $1,000 blow up, $1,000 blow up, $1,000 blow up, $1,000 blow up. Now you're down $4,000. Well, the fifth time, let's say finally you get to $1,000, you bring it down to $500, and then you bring it back up to $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, right? You're finally showing yourself that, yeah, you're finally not blowing up your account and you actually have something going for you. Whatever your strategy, whatever your plan, whatever your process is, you're starting to finally build and grow on it and create something that's successful and puts you ahead of everybody else with some type of edge. So hopefully you take something home with that. But just because you're watching trading, you know, it's a good thing. It's a good thing to put screen time in. It's not a bad thing to watch, but eventually you want to pull the trigger for sure. But I'm glad you said that because I really wanted to say that. So yeah, so I was long on this white line, 182 with about 6,000 shares, and I ended up selling off. I believe I sold. Yeah, I had a limit sell here. I had a big wall. It's funny. I wonder if anybody saw this. There was a big wall at 219, and I went to the bathroom and I set my limit sells just in case it flew up. I didn't want to get stuck in any kind of consolidation. And honestly, being up this much, I potentially would have stopped out right in here. So just emotionally seeing myself be up that much and then come down and not knowing that it's going to continue would have been emotionally tough. But so I had my limit sales. I went to the bathroom, and I don't know if anybody saw the limit sales. If anybody did, let me know. It was a big wall at 219 on this candlestick here, and that was me. Somebody bought it up, and I came back to my desk, and I was up about $25,000 to start the day. So that was my big trade. All hindsight 2020, wish I would have gotten long in here. And actually, I believe I did, now that I realize. Actually, let's go back and look at this. Now that I remember, I did get long right on that dip on WEI. I know I did. What time was that at? That was at 8:11, okay? So 8:11, let's look for 8:11, 8:11, 8:11. I think it would have been right in here. No. Okay, so 6:30, 7:30 would have been right in here. By WEI. No. Okay, so wait, sorry. So let me go down here. So this would be 7:30. I know that I did. Hold on, what time is that? 8:11. So 6:30, 7:30, 8:30. I know that I got filled right about 8. Yeah, right there. Okay, so let's go back. So 7:30 should be right in here. WEI 185. No, that's not it. That is not it. Where are you, WEI? Come back to me here. You can see me selling some there. WEI on the scalp. I swear I got filled on that dip. Oh, is it right there? Okay, yeah. You can see me get filled there. 2066 right there. So I got filled like right on that candlestick. Why does it have the time and date different though? That's so weird. I don't get that. Oh wait, no. Yeah, the 12 would have been. Well, I guess 12 was okay. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. No, that's right. That's right. Okay, so I bought 15,400 shares on that dip at 206.6027, and I sold off at 210. But man, I wish I would have held that because that was the bottom, and then it would have ripped up again. 15,000 shares, that's about $30,000. I mean, I would have held that position, would have been up another $10,000, $15,000 if I would have held it correctly. But that's trading. So that was my big gain of the day, and then I kind of got chopped out everything else the rest of the day. CHFS kind of chopped out. JFU, nice little winner on. Didn't expect it to run like that. I sold it above 160, and then I scalped it one more time from 160 to 166. Watching that one in tomorrow, KXIN. Took a nice little trade on this one. 489 in. I think I sold off at like 495, 497, something like that. Wish I would have held longer. DSS took a nice loss on that one. NACD. NACD is one that I'm watching even into tomorrow. Let's see here. And NACD is one that I'm watching into tomorrow. It's up 29% today. And you can see on the yearly here, we finally got some volume coming in. It finally bounced off its lows. This is what I call a bottom bouncer, and this is what helped me grow my, you know, when I started with $1,000 and now we're at 3.8 mil in 219 business days. Well, when I started with $1,000, in order to grow my account, I would focus on stocks under 50 cents, and these type setups were my bread and butters. These bottom bouncers, these bankruptcy bouncers that were like 10, 15, 20 cents but they could go 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, percent plus. And so that was definitely something that I was able to find success in when I started trading, especially when a small account. And this is what helped me grow my $1,000 to $25,000 account. These type of strategies, these smaller stocks, but can bounce pretty big with decent volume. So there's that. Other than that, guys, that's basically it for the day. I don't really have much else to say. SRRK, pretty crazy runner. Just watching. Yeah, exactly, Diego. I try and help you guys with nuggets of gold so you guys can build on your strategies. Yes, definitely. I do have money in Robinhood account and just been watching. Yeah, I mean, that's okay. Just keep watching and learning. And whenever you pull the trigger, just make sure you be smart about it. Trade your process, your plan, your strategy. And you have to realize that you don't really have much of a strategy right now because you haven't been trading ever, really. I don't think. Have I ever tried snowballing? I don't know what that is. Those guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Those guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Feel free to check me out on my YouTube channel. If you guys haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Click that subscribe button. Click that subscribe button. Click that subscribe button. I'd really, really appreciate that. Smash that subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button. I'd really, really appreciate that. Please like the channel as well for the YouTube algorithm. I do this for free, so it's just huge help if you guys like and subscribe to the channel. Again, if you could like and subscribe to the channel, that would be huge, huge help. I would really, really, really appreciate that. I can't tell you how much I'd appreciate that. Malik, you're welcome. You guys are interested in my course, teach you guys my strategies, help me turn 1,000 into 1,000,000, 10 months in 1 week, 1,000, 600, 1,000 using Robinhood, and 1,000 into $3.8 million in 219 business days. Check out my course. I realize that it's kind of expensive, but it's cheaper than student loans, cheaper than student debt. I'll post that link there for you guys if you're interested. It's basically a classroom type setting. Has a ton of live trades. It gives you guys an insight of how my brain works when I'm in a trade, out of the trade, how I'm scaling in and out, with a full process of how my brain works and when I'm getting in and when I'm getting out. The live trading is probably the biggest help to what people have told me. So I hope that you guys are enjoying that. And other than that, guys, Jose, it's totally worth it. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that, Jose. Click the brokerage. I have a brokerage that I recommend. It also gives you up to two free stocks valued up to $1,400. Please feel free to check that out. Please feel free to check that out. It's a brokerage that I really like, and I recommend it. And those of you guys have tried it, click the link. It says brokerage 2 free stocks valued up to $1,400. It's Webull. Click that link. It's 100% free to sign up. Free commission, so check that out. Their platform is one of the better ones. Not only do I recommend it because you get 2 free stocks, but on top of that, it's one of the better brokerages I believe out there, especially for after hours or pre-market access. Scanner settings that I use are all in the description below. How do I watch you live trading? I don't do any live trading. I don't want you guys piggybacking off me. I want you guys learning. I want to teach you guys how to fish, not show you guys or not feed you guys fish. So it's kind of my mindset. Those guys on TikTok can join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Those guys on TikTok can join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. I really appreciate that, guys. Other than that, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay? Cheers, team, and go Hawks.